Hello YouTube, this is Don from DaretoBeCreative. Sorry about all that noise. If you hear it, it is thundering and lightning. I love the sound of it. Thank God I ain't got to be in it, but I love thunder and rain. Anyway, I am here with a haul, a given haul to me from, sent to me by InLoveArtShop. They send me stuff before to use and to design, so this was free and this was from them. Anyway, so I just want to show you what I picked out, and I will come back with another video of what I made. But also in the description box below, there's a coupon code 15% off and the actual links to every single one of these products. So if you want them, you can click on them and enjoy. And there's tons of stuff. So they also have the diamond dots, which I've hauled on this channel before, you know, different dyes, and there's other creators around here that use them as well. So I will just show you the first thing. I did get a little stamp set. I just saw this little girl, and she has some clothes, again, paper dolls, you know, like I like Julie and Nutty. So I thought, oh, maybe I try her out. Little girl. Sorry about the glare. But anyway, so it's the girl in the 3, 6, 9, 10 accessories that come with her, and this was very cheap, like $2 or something. I don't remember the price, but it was very inexpensive. But I just thought that was something to play with, and so I would come back with something with that. Now, this stamp set I got because I'm always thinking about my grandson, and I am working on his, which I need to get back to. And I started out at the beginning of the year, then I started doing other paper crafts, but his is a superhero type of theme, because he's always used to wear costumes and stuff. So anyway, I was doing him a superhero scrapbook, so I thought this would be perfect to use for his album, his layout album. So I will incorporate that into that. And then I just got some tags. This, you know, you've seen several crafters use this one before, but I went on and got it. And this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 piece set. And as you can see, the width on this is like 3 inches wide, and it is 5 and 7/5, excuse me, 5.75, 5 3/4 in height. So nice varying sizes. You can use them for multiple things, tags, but also you can use this to nest with and do different things like that, and to make shakers and stuff. So very useful that. This one primarily is for labels, and you can use any of your small sentiments to go in here. Even dyes that can fit as well. So it's a 6-piece set. As you can see, they all already have the hole already punched out for you to put string, twine, ribbon, whatever you want to use to attach. Put a brad through it, you know, whatever. An eyelet. So you have options. So it's a 6-piece die set. And again, I love the various different shapes and that you can put up there, and they're all stitched. So I will come back with some projects with them. But in the meantime, check out InLoveArtShop and use the coupon codes below. You get 15% off. You know, it's a good deal. They actually arrived very, very fast to get here. So, yeah. I mean, I don't even think it was 10 days maybe. I don't know. It was quick. I can't remember, but it was really quick. So anyway, that's like, it was like fast, like US shipping to some places. So anyway, thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing, and I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.